Can Python have class or instance methods that do not have self as the first argument? Every single example I have seen of a method in a class in Python has self as the first argument. Is this true of all methods? If so, couldn't Python have been written so that this argument was just understood and therefore not needed? If you want a method that doesn't need to access self, use static method. If you want access to the class, but not to the instance, use class method.
Static methods don't need self. They operate on the class. See a good explanation of static here. Static class variables in Python.